I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Let's get started. Oh, and by the way, I'm Lance from the Foyager Foods, and I just used this recipe on the Hertz website to cook this dish. So what you'll need is a 20-ounce bag of 15 bean soup beans, one medium-sized onion, one or two cloves of garlic, but I use some minced garlic, some salt and pepper to taste, 8 cups of water, or you can use chicken or beef broth for a better flavor, 1 pound of smoked sausage, ham hocks, or my personal favorite, smoked neck bones. I use more than 1 pound because I love them so much. You can also add a can of diced tomatoes, chili powder, and juice from a lemon, but I chose not to because my family definitely wouldn't need it then. I use the no-soak method, so first, open up the bag and rinse off the beans in a colander or in something like a salad spinner, like I did. Check for any unwanted beans or any hard debris and discard them. Be careful because the smaller beans can slip through the holes of the colander and end up in the drain. And that's partially why I use a salad spinner to catch them in the bottom. Add your beans to a slow cooker. I have a 6-quart crock pot and all of the ingredients fit perfectly. Add 8 cups of beef broth. If you want it to be more brothy, you can add up to 9 to 10 cups of broth. Add the chopped onion and 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Add in your meat of choice. And if you want to add tomato or lemon juice, don't add it at this point. You can add it a little bit later. Plug in the slow cooker and set it on high for 6 to 8 hours. Per the recipe, it's not advised to add the ham flavor packet at this point, but I'm a rebel and I'll do it anyway. If I leave the house, I'll hook up my slow cooker to a smart switch so I can turn it off automatically after 7 hours. It's just set on a timer. I have an older Wise smart plug, and I also use the TP-Link Casa plugs too. I often check in halfway through to check on to see how it's going. After the beans are tender, remove the bones. Here, you can stir in the tomatoes, the ham flavor packet, chili powder, and lemon juice if you chose to use it. Now that it's looking good and the beans are tender, spoon some into a bowl and you're good to go. You can also make some cornbread to go with it. I'm posting a video pretty soon on how to make cornbread, and it obviously pairs pretty nicely with the beans. Give it a taste and enjoy. So regarding the savory dishes I've made, I'll put the homemade potato soup in 3rd place, the Instapot red beans and rice in 2nd place, and the 15 bean soup with neck bones dethrones the red beans and rice to take the #1 spot. It's just so good. So check out the previous recipe, the homemade chocolate chips video here or in the description below, and question, what's your favorite slow cooker dish? God bless, and comment below.